I have been teaching asanas for a long time now. I think 4 years now. But YIC में सीखने के बाद या एस व्यासा के साथ मतलब when I started going through the एस व्यासा का जो curriculum है, there was so much difference in my teaching क्योंकि first of all I feel meditation ऐसे loosely लोग बोल देते हैं कि meditation कराना है, but it's very difficult to get someone to get to meditate. To just make them sit in silence and not fall asleep, or to be focused and not think about anything. It's a very difficult technique to be used. But जब भी cyclic meditation was a concept introduced to me, it was so helpful because it stimulates you and it keeps letting you stand. You have to stand, you have to sit, you have to lie down. तो इतना सारा variations था कि ऐसे नहीं कि you can sit in one place and sleep. So in cyclic meditation, the most important experience that I observed in my students was
प्लान तो मैं पण थोड़ी करूँ तो बोलવાનું मैं
कि आप म्यूट
अरे
रखोगे.
अभी प्लान तो एक तो कोई नो करो जे नहीं कर दो पण मैं बराबर
Dipin, can you? Thank you. हाँ. So I was saying, तो cycling meditation के time पे the raising of your hands very slowly, that brought a lot of difference in a lot of my old students. My parents and other 60 plus students felt a lot of difference. क्योंकि हर चीज से भी हम fast करते हैं या even with breath करते हैं, that doesn't stimulate your sensory nerves as much as the cyclic meditation का slow जो उठाना, जो हाथ को degree wise उठाना and then coming back, the kind of change they observed in this one practice was tremendous, and I loved that about cyclic meditation. DRT तो पहले शवासन कराती थी, but now DRT is different in a way because आ उ म कारा जो chanting होता है उससे again they don't fall asleep but they're actively consciously actually resting, which is what I saw change in these kind of techniques when I introduced in my teaching. Um, these were the major difference in the practices that I was introduced to my students. Other than that, I had a weekly thing. मैं वमन धोती हर हफ्ता कराती थी. Anyhow, I make my students do वमन धोती. And I have been teaching, तो मेरे पास students हमेशा से थे. During lockdown, उलट students increase हो गए because working people had a lot of more time to invest. Instead of doing twice a week or thrice a week, they were actually doing it every day with me. क्योंकि कम्युनिकेशन का टाइम बच जाता है, तो दे हैड इवन मोर टाइम टू इन्वेस्ट in learning or practicing every day. So that made a lot of difference. For me, the work increased during lockdown than before. But most of my students, like before also, I don't teach um, clients. I don't have clients. I have students who are my friends or my close associated people. So it's just like something that I'm sharing that I already know. So it has been amazing. My parents have invested a lot of time since the lockdown, and the kind of change they have seen is tremendous. Just the loosening exercises. So when I used to ask them to do this, they were unable to do. उनका हाथ अलग move नहीं होता था. It used to be very jammed when they used to try to move their ankles or their knees or their wrist or their shoulders also. So that has tremendously changed in them. Their joints have really loosened up, which I love to see because बहुत stiff. मेरे dad का neck बहुत stiff होता था. Now he's able to move it and it's amazing. Other than that, I have few students who are young mothers, and these mothers, they were being women, people think only flexibility से yoga asan से सिर्फ flexibility होता है, but I even started making them do push-ups on the wall or knee on the floor, and because of that their arm strength have really increased. And even holding a child, मेरे को एक feedback मिला कि मैं अपने बच्चों को ना उठा के I couldn't keep for a long time, but now I can lift my kid up and it's really amazing that I have strength to hold him for a longer period of time. And that was the biggest wow moment for me. Other than that, my sister, my cousins, they're overweight. They are almost, I think, 90. So she started doing the practices with me for almost 3 to 4 months now. I have been making her do Vaman Dhoti and Shanka Prashtalan for I don't know how you pronounce it, but Laghu Sanka Prakshalana, which is an amazing practice, I feel. So her entire system was getting cleansed every week, and then her consumption of food also deteriorated because the stomach starts shrinking. I feel that's what I observed in this 3 months. She couldn't even eat more, even if she wanted to. She couldn't eat. So her weight loss had happened tremendously, not only because of physical practice, but because of Gaman Dhauti and Laghu Shankar Prakshalana. Other than that, pranayam, I don't introduce a lot of Anulom Valom. The majorly practiced pranayam has been sectional breathing and full yogic breathing, because that's something I feel is most important to be aware about: the diaphragm being pushed down, or the intercostal being expanded, or the clavicular being used. जो हम like I think when just done pranayam, मुझे ऐसे लगता था कि it's not enough, and by with YIC I realized that even using mudras make a lot of difference. The focus changes totally करके. So these sectional breathings, I used to make them do standing, sitting, and lying down, because all three are different, and it's not easy. If you get it while sleeping, it's not necessary that you get it while sitting as well. So I make them do in all the three postures. Other than that, the normal sitting, jogging has been the thing. Surya Namaskar hota tha. Dog breathing, yes. Dog breathing and rabbit breathing is also one of the breathings which changed a lot, especially during the coronavirus thing. My mom keeps telling me, कि ना throat पे कुछ रहेगा ना तो throat it keeps. My mom goes to work. She works for a bank, so she has to work. She's 59 last year to get retired, but she has to go to work. So every time she comes back, she keeps drinking hot water and does all the other things. But doing dog breathing and bhastrika and tiger breathing helps her, even if she feels that is something, the feeling, just the feeling, when she does this, she feels more relaxed and she thinks कि अगर रहेगा भी तो निकल जाएगा करके. So this is one of the practices that I love during this lockdown. Yeah, that's about it.
Okay.